Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. Over the past year, the standards of social interactions have changed quite a bit. Large crowds and close proximity with other people are considered a bit taboo. Fortunately, Dahua has released a camera that offers features which assist with the new standards of crowd gathering and flow control. Introducing the Dahua WizMind 12 megapixel Fisheye Network Camera. Here's the product box of the WizMind 12 megapixel Fisheye Network Camera. You can see the model number here. The dimensions of the product box are 193mm by 191mm by 204mm and weighs 1.22 kilograms. The basic product info can be found on the side of the box. Now, I'm ready to open this up. I can't wait to see what's inside. Let's start unboxing. So this is what it looks like on the inside. As you can see, the box contains an installation precision map, a QR code, an installation guide, the legal and regulatory information booklet, a pack of screws with an RJ45 waterproof connector, an L-shaped hexagonal screwdriver, and I don't see the mounting bracket. Maybe it's at the bottom. So let's take off the top, and as you can see, the top of the camera. So let's carefully take that out. And there it is. So at the bottom of the box, underneath the camera, there is the mounting bracket. All right, so the camera's dimensions are 59.8mm by 149.8mm in diameter and has a net weight of 0.79 kilograms. Wires and connectors are on the back. Let's take a closer look at the camera and talk about some of its features and highlights. The Dahua WizMind 12 megapixel Fisheye Network Camera comes in an all-metal casing. The lens has a focal length of 1.85 millimeters. The camera's image sensor is 1/1.17-inch CMOS with a max resolution of 4,000 horizontal by 3,000 vertical. It includes a built-in infrared LED that can cover a distance of up to 10 meters. There's also built-in dual array mic and speaker that enables two-way talk function. These features have the added benefits of noise reduction and audio detection up to 10 meters. In addition, it has an IP67 weatherproof rating and IK10 impact resistance rating. As I mentioned earlier, this camera offers functions that allow you to keep track of crowd gathering and flow control. If you want to see these features in action, check out these videos. The Dahua WizMind 12 megapixel fisheye camera supports people counting, including in-area and line crossing, which is an essential nowadays for maintaining social distancing and capacity regulations. There is also the queue management function, which could help improve customers' experience and facilitate traffic flow. This feature, along with the people counting feature, can export reports based on year, month, week, day, or custom time. Another highlight is the heat map. It is a great tool for understanding customers' preference by analyzing the number of people and average waiting times, providing valuable and accurate data for business reports. Lastly, the front DeWarp features offer several different modes, such as original, panoramic, and regional image view. As well as 4 cool VR modes: planetary, cylindrical, tiled, and bowl-shaped. And there you have it, The Dahua WizMind 12 megapixel fisheye network camera is a cost-effective and convenient product. This camera offers intelligent features such as people counting, hue management, heat map, and front DeWarp and VR modes, which provide real-time alerts that encourage public safety regulations with ease, while also providing accurate business data as well, making this product ideal for supermarkets, restaurants, museums, and many other places. But wait, there's more! There's also the IVC model. The IVC fisheye camera incorporates Panamorphic Technology from ImmerVision Enables that allows for clearer details and is compatible with third-party platforms. Model number here. Once again, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new here to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification icon to get notified every time we post a new update. Also, you can follow our official social media accounts right here. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.